Hi guys, welcome to Amateur Chemistry. So recently, this channel hit 10,000 subscribers, and I just gotta say thank you guys very much. Just a few months ago, I didn't think that this channel was ever going to reach more than 1,000 subscribers, and yet here we are. This was really an amazing journey, and I just can't describe how thankful I am for all of the support and positive feedback. To celebrate the 10,000 subs, I decided to record a little special video for you guys, so sit back and relax while I present to you the first ever YouTube documentation of the cat petting reaction. This reaction is done by many people worldwide, and the only reaction that is more popular is probably photosynthesis, but who cares about that when the cat petting reaction is just simply much better. If you somehow don't know how to do it, let me quickly show you a tutorial. Also, before I do anything, I need to tell you that this reaction is absolutely safe, and I actually recommend you to do it at home. To make it, you are firstly going to need an object that you are going to pet the cat with. I recommend the hand. Other soft things could also work, although I haven't tested that. The second and most important ingredient required is a representative of the Felis catus species, more commonly referred to as a cat. To measure the efficiency of the cat in this reaction, here I have a helpful chart that displays how chunky the cat is. The more chunky it is the better, although anything above a mega chunker is pretty concerning. My cat is a heckin' chunker, and this will absolutely be enough to carry out the reaction. Also, an important thing to notice here is that this reaction works better in a hot environment, since cats have the ability to directly convert heat to the reaction yield, although when it is hot, they also like to turn into a liquid, and it is important to prevent them from spilling. I firstly have to locate the cat, which is usually just sleeping somewhere, and the reaction has to be carried out where the cat is originally located. When the cat is forcefully moved around, the reaction won't occur at all. When I secured a good place for the reaction to occur, I got my hand and started petting the cat. The main goal of this reaction is to generate as much specific frequency sound waves as possible for as long as possible. The cat will only generate them when it is constantly petted, well fed, and in a comfortable position. The byproduct of this reaction is a metric freak ton of cat fur which goes everywhere, but I think that this is a small price to pay. To really show you the product of this reaction, I got this tiny mic that I have and tried to record the sound. The cat didn't really like the fuzzy microphone and proceeded to obliterate it using its endless force. After I was done with the reaction, I wanted to measure the temperature of the cat for research purposes, and it came to be around 31 degrees Celsius, which shows that the cat's nuclear reactor is running well. I also wanted to know the cat's opinion on me reaching 10,000 subs, so I interviewed her, and this was her response.
Okay, so what do you think about me reaching 10,000 subs? Yeah, that's exactly what I thought.
It's good that we both agree on this, and now, after I was done interviewing the cat, I have to thank you guys again for everything. I really appreciate all of the support that you give me. It allows me to make even better and more interesting chemistry videos and other stuff like this video. Let me know if you would like more of these specials in the future, or if this was a failed experiment. Anyway, thank you guys again very much, and see you in the next video.